Chapter 3, Make Me a Channel of Peace. Peace brings with it so many positive emotions that it is worth aiming for in all circumstances. By Stella Elliott. World peace and unity are the most embryonic needs of modern society in order to protect our planet Earth. Lots of efforts have been made to ensure world peace and unity in the past, and several international organizations have been formed for this purpose. Inner peace calms our mind and allows us to see our path much clearer, helping us focus and keep track of our goals. Having clear goals is like having a compass. You know where you want to go. You aim for it and commit to the route, trusting that all obstacles are worthy challenges rather than intimidating threats.
Students are considered the future of any country.
They are the ones who can instill peace and harmony in society, be it any matter. In journal, peace begins by educating and creating national integrity based on various religions, caste, creeds, sex, etc. Poem Corner. Peace is deliverance in serenity. It spreads with a smile. Just in a single step at a time, it travels 1,000 miles. Peace brings so many positive emotions forever. It is harmonious. It exists without anxiety and fear. Only talking about peace is nothing if we do not believe in it. Merely believing in peace is nothing if we do not work for it. Create peace in your heart to be an instrument of peace. Holding its hand, even in tempest, is nothing short of a masterpiece. Peace demands to remain in a calm spirit. Peace cannot be induced by others, it is inherent. Peace inspires us to live in the present and stay calm. It helps us overcome our problems like a soothing balm. Peace in a life is the presence of love. Instead of being ignorant, we must realize we have enough. Respond to people who bring peace into your life. Lord, make me a channel of peace with positivity rife. MySpace. How can you create a peaceful atmosphere in your class? Reflection Center. Peace is the path we take for bringing growth and prosperity to society. If we don't have peace and harmony, achieving political strength, economic stability, and cultural growth will be impossible. Peace education enables you to become responsible citizens who are open to differences, capable of empathy and solidarity both within and across borders and social groups, and can deconstruct the foundations of violence and take action into advance the prospects of peace. Ways to show peace as a student. Number 1. Be a model of kindness and empathy to your friends. Number 2. Repair. Don't revenge your fellow students. Number 3. Create a democratic space in the class. Number 4. Give a voice to the excluded in the school. Number 5. Encourage collaboration in diverse groups. Number 6. Learn to forgive and forget. Promote peace in the community. To keep the peace in your community, talk to people in your area. Consider planning events like competitions for peace, food drives for a local food bank, or a peaceful protest to raise awareness for a local issue. You can also volunteer at school organization to help your community. Value of a peaceful life. The value of peace is in the form of caring for, respecting, and tolerating others. In addition, there are behaviors that do not reflect the value of peace, such as unfair treatment, discrimination, no cooperation, not accepting differences, and violating rules. Some important ways to practice peace in your life. Number 1. Make a personal commitment to non-violence. Number 2. When you see someone in trouble, whether he or she is lost, confused, upset, or has fallen, don't act like you don't see the person. Provide help. Number 3. Be kind to animals. Number 4. Be kind to vulnerable people, the homeless, those with physical or congenital disabilities. older people, and anyone else that appears different. Number 5. Speak out against prejudice and discrimination when you see it. Number 6. When you feel angry, count to 10 before saying anything. Then ask yourself what response will be best for the greater good. Number 7. Choose a career that yields only good things for your family, community, and the planet. Number 8. Look people in the eye and smile when you pass by them on the street. Better yet say hello. Number 9. Don't hide from life. Have faith that there is still an abundance of good in this world. Please share this list with others and practice the above things in your life. Conclusion. To sum it up, peace is essential to control the evils which damage our society. It is obvious that we will keep facing crises on many levels, but we can manage them better with the help of peace. Moreover, peace is vital for humankind to survive and strive for a better future. Personal experiences resulting from learning together with diverse peers to achieve mutual goals, making informed decisions on the basis of open minded discussions of each other's perspectives and views, and seeking integrative agreements to resolve conflicts result in a personal understanding of the meaning and relevance of peace and justice and define a way of life. Book recommendation: The Dalai Lama's Little Book of Inner Peace, The Essential Life and Teachings. In this book, the Dalai Lama provides a portrait of his early life and the personal and political struggles that shaped his understanding of the world. In a simple manner, he offers powerful advice on how to live a fulfilling and peaceful life and invites you to rediscover fundamental values like love, respect, and integrity